welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to start with a small Walmart haul. My daughter and I just got back from Walmart. We just want to do a little shopping. So the first thing that I got was a new notebook because I do real estate, so I need another notebook for real estate. And let's see, we got two of these Better Homes and Garden. I got Wild Lavender and Linen plug-in. And this one is the Coastal Lavender. They smell so good. And then this is the Scent Match Cobalt Breeze. They're like wax melts. They smell so good. And then I wanted to get new curtains for this bedroom. So I got these light blue. They're about 99% blackout curtains that I'm going to hang up today. My husband needed deodorant, so I got him 2 bottles of deodorant. And my daughter needed a new water bottle for school, so the Summit Cold 24 Plus Hours Simple Modern 18-ounce water bottle. So that's pretty cool. It's got like a leopard or cheetah print on it. And then I got 3 candles. The first one I got is the Mainstays Scented Candle Bloom Where You Are Planted Lakeside Garden. It smells so good. Very springy. And the floral on there is so pretty for spring. And then this one is the Sweet Sugared Lemon. I'm going to put this in the kitchen. This smells so good. And then this one is the Coastal Lavender. As you can tell, I love lavender. Lavender is probably my favorite. So that was the haul. I spent probably like $100. It was fun to go out with my daughter. So there is some things that I want to get done today. There's a catch-all space in the kitchen area where everything is. Papers, picture frames, just a whole bunch of things that have to be put away, probably filed away in like one of those accordion filers. That is in my daughter's closet. That's where we keep them. I want to get that done, and I want to go through the cabinet that's underneath there. That is like a decor cabinet where I have so many things in there that I want to go through and probably get rid of a lot of things in there. That I haven't used or haven't reached for in a while. So why bother keeping it? I'll just donate it to Goodwill. So that is what we're doing today. Let's get it done. Okay, so first let's change out these curtains.
Moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the biting, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way,
I absolutely love the way that these curtains turned out. I love the light blue. It matches my comforter set so beautifully.
liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Okay, Okay, so this is the area that I was talking about, the catch-all area and the cabinet. So first I'm going to start by taking everything out and seeing what there is, because I don't even know what is in here. And then just going through everything and getting rid of stuff that I really just haven't used in like a year. And then we'll just donate them to the Goodwill.
For you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Have you guys started decluttering any spaces in your home? Leave your comments. I'd love to read them. So my mom gave me this cake stand. And do you guys ever have any trouble getting rid of things that your parents gave you? I don't want to let it go just yet, but I don't know when I'll ever use it. I forgot that I even had that. We have all of these jugs of water in here because where we live in the winter, the power goes out if we have an ice storm. So that's where I usually store all of these jugs of water.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Getting rid of that stuff. And that stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to go through these stack of papers here and everything up here. Most of it is bills and stuff that have to get filed away.
I just turn the page, let it write what it likes. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now. Every atom in my body feels okay. Yeah. It's a new day for the time. Yeah, yeah. rain. I felt kinda low, is it all in vain? Then you hit me up and everything just turned again. For 1 or 2, maybe 3 years, I've been feeling nothing at all. But then I saw your face lighting up my space. Got me going like that, lighting up my space. You do, like a candle in the dark. Ooh, getting warmer every time I'm with you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You don't care what other people think of you or say, but you so cool. You just spoiled with your love. Got no doubt that you are lovely. Oh, you're so lovely. Lighting up my space. You do, like a candle in the dark. Ooh, getting warmer every time I'm with you. Lighting up my space, you do, like a candle in the dark. Getting warmer every time I'm with you.
Okay, so now I'm going to start going through all of these cookbooks. I have no idea where I got all of these cookbooks from.
Red stain, the clinking of glass, the flickering shade on your face, pouring rain. Oh, I wish we had stayed. Misplaced, got somewhere to be, but don't wanna leave. Just one more drink, don't wanna think about anywhere, anyone else. Maybe I could've loved you in another timeline. Could you have loved me too if our stars aligned? Maybe we were twin flames in a past life.
Okay, I'm almost done going through all of these cookbooks. I'm going to close out the video here. Thank you for joining me today as I declutter this area in my home, and I will see you in the next one.